Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Account tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu and Account tab. Under User Information, we can change photo, About Me information, we can sign out and switch account. We can set different office backgrounds like no background, calligraphy, circles and stripes, circuit, clouds, doodle circles, doodle diamonds, geometry, lunchbox, school supplies, spring, stars, straws, tree rings and underwater. We can change office theme to colorful, dark gray, and white. We can connect to cloud services like OneDrive and SharePoint by clicking on Add a Service, Storage, and SharePoint and OneDrive. Under Product Information, we can get product activation information. Also, we can change product key. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions, from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.